Network Time Protocol (NTP) settings on MikroTik. To avoid inaccurate time configuration, the MikroTik router needs to be configured with Network Time Protocol. NTP is a protocol used to synchronize time, day, month, year, and hour between network devices. NTP is a mechanism or protocol used to synchronize timekeeping in a computer system and network. This synchronization process is carried out in the data communication path, which usually uses the TCP/IP communication protocol. So this process itself can be seen as an ordinary data communication process, which only exchanges data packets. NTP uses UDP communication port number 123. Now I will provide information. How do you set NTP on MikroTik? To make it easier, please use Winbox to set up the NTP client. Open Winbox. Go to the System menu. NTP client as shown in the image. Checkbox. Enabled. Mode. Unicast. Primary NTP server. 203.160.128.3. Node IP address 203.160.128.3 is the NTP server IP for Indonesia. Next, set the time on the proxy by going to the System menu. Clock, as shown in the image. That is the default setting and the clock is wrong. Next, we change the time zone name to yours. Then we click Apply then OK. Successful change. And let's see on our PC, the time is the same or not. Under certain conditions the MikroTik router works based on time. Whether date, day, or hour. For example, if you want to block internet access outside working hours or block several sites at certain hours. For MikroTik routers installed on personal computers, this is not a problem, because the computer motherboard has a battery that can maintain the time configuration. However, for MikroTik routers that do not have a battery, the time configuration will be messed up every time the router restarts.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, take care.